I realized I made a mistake in installing my fans in my PC case. This is my current setup, and I make a mistake in the fan orientation here. Some of my intake and exhaust fans are placed in the wrong direction, which can hurt the airflow and the temperature. So today, I'm redesigning my fan placement using BuildCores.com to simulate the best airflow setup. First, here is my current fan setup inside the Lian V100 case. The airflow is not optimized because some fans are pushing air the wrong way. This can trap hot air inside the case. To fix this, I'm using BuildCores.com. This tool lets you simulate airflow inside PC case by placing intake and exhaust fans. Now I recreate my case layout inside the simulator. I add the rear fans and the side fans based on my current setup. Here you can see the airflow direction. My mistake was placing a fan as exhaust where it should be intake. So I redesigned the airflow like this. 2 side fans will be my intake, 1 top fan, and another rear fan for exhaust. So 2 intake and 2 exhaust fan. Now the airflow moves in the straight path and hot air exits from the top and the rear. This airflow layout should improve cooling for my Ryzen 5 5600 and GPU. If you're building your first PC, always double check your fan direction. I will flip the rear fan because this will become my exhaust, and then I will put another exhaust fan here at the top, and then 2 intake, 2 exhaust. And I put it here. So close this up. And mouse. So that's it. So this is my current setup.